When you see the warning keyless operation system service required, it means the vehicle fails to communicate with the key fob. Now, there are several reasons for that, and you should obviously start with some simple DIY solutions to check your lock. First of all, replacing the small battery in the key fob will be a good idea. It's a simple job, so you can do it on your own, and the battery costs $2 or $3 in any supermarket. Secondly, your key fob may have been desynchronized for some reason. In this case, it would be nice to check if the second key fob works. But if you don't have this opportunity, just open the owner's manual online on Mitsubishi's official website for your model and year and find out how you should synchronize your fob. Usually the procedure is more or less simple and you can do this on your own. Thirdly, you may need to clear the codes since the key OS control module is very voltage dependent and it may fail to recognize the key after the battery is disconnected or the voltage drops heavily in your vehicle. For resetting the codes, you may need a scanner that's compatible with Mitsubishi cars, but basically any repair shop will do that for 5 minutes. Also, in the USA, you may go to any AutoZone or any other big parts store, and they may provide you with a scanner for several minutes just to reset the codes. It's a good idea to read the codes at this point and see what faults you have in the car. If these 3 steps don't help you, there may be a problem with the antenna, the key OS control module, which is not that common for these cars, or wiring and connections. In these cases, I would find a good Mitsubishi mechanic and let them fix the problem, since you will need a professional scanner to get the codes and some tools to test wiring and modules, and this is not a DIY job at all. But hopefully you could fix the issue before you even watch this video till this unpleasant part.